Hello everyone, welcome to Gardening for Better Health. My name is Henry B. 723 and I'm glad that you stopped by today to see what's going on here. There's something special that I wanted to share with you. I recently ordered some mushrooms from a company in California that produces various types of mushrooms, and they offer mushroom kits for sale. I contacted them and let them know that I wanted to order a mushroom kit from them and which one. They packaged it up and sent it to me, and it arrived today. I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and I thought I would take you along with me so you can see what mushrooms I ordered, how they come, and follow me along with the process of actually growing these mushrooms. I've never grown mushrooms before, so this is going to be a new experience for me. And I enjoy doing new and different things because it keeps things exciting, and I'm always learning more things. And those things that I learn, I can share with you and other people. So I'm going to share with you this unboxing today. So let's see what is in this box. This is how it comes. And the name of the company is Long Beach Mushrooms. So let's see how they package this up. I like mushrooms. I've never grown them before, and I've only tasted a few different varieties. And so I thought, well, it'd be good to try a new variety that I haven't tried before, and to grow it, and to see if it's easy or if it's not easy. If it is easy, it's something that I could repeat and do again later. So this is all that's in this box. And it says mushroom grow kit, just add water. So we will see. Let's open this up. I'll find out what this is for later. This came with it. And I think I better protect my counter because I don't know what's in here. Yeah, what I have found is when I'm ordering items, especially items that have grow medium, you never really know what's in this medium until you get it. So let's see. This is how it comes. And it's in a grow block. And the instruction says, easy to grow. Step 1, open the perforation on the box. Step 2, slice an X in the plastic bag. Step 3, spray water over the X, a few sprays, and mist twice a day. And then step 4 is harvest. So here we go. We're going to open the preparation on the box. Now, at no point did they tell me to take this medium out of the box, but it's too late for that. Okay. We will put this medium back. So, this back. Close this back up. All right, step 2, slice an X on the plastic bag. So we'll slice it next with this pair of scissors. There's our X. Step 3, spray over the X a few sprays. So then that is probably what that little tool is. Yeah. Well, that's nice. They sent a mister with the product. So we'll see anything coming out. It's very, very light coming out of here. And the mister is not misting. I got my own mister, because that one is not working. Check the temperature and make sure it's not too hot or too cold. Let's try this. And let me check the stream on here. Okay. That's better. All right, that's good enough. So, that was step 3. And then step 4, harvest. So I want to spray over the X a few sprays. Mist at least twice a day. So this is the first mist. We'll set this over here. And I'm under the impression that with these, it takes about 2 weeks for them to grow big enough to make a harvest. The ones that I ordered, they're the pink oyster mushrooms, and it should be very good. They said that it's actually tastes like bacon, and you can use it as a bacon replacement. So that's going to be interesting to see if it really can be a bacon replacement. So that's my news for today. I'm glad that I did order this kit. We'll see how it goes. And if I can get this to grow and I like it, then I will try some of their other mushroom varieties. I really would like to grow morel mushrooms, and maybe some of you viewers can help me with this. I have been looking for information on how to grow morel mushrooms at home. The research that I came across did show a couple of people who grew morels at home, but the morels never grew where they were supposed to grow because their spores, they would wind up growing outside of the area where the people planted them. There was one gentleman that planted morels in a wooden box with a top, and when he came back, the morels were growing outside the box where he didn't want them to grow, and they wound up in his lawn. He didn't get them to grow, but they just grew where they felt like growing. So if any of you know how to grow morels outside and be able to contain them to a certain area, please let me know. Put it in the comments below. I'm quite sure that I'm not the only one who has been looking for that information. So if you put it in the comments, it will let me know how to do it, as well as the other viewers that come to my channel. So thank you for that. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. I'll do another video halfway through to show you how these mushrooms are growing. And then at the end, I'll show you how they turn out once they're mature enough to do a harvest. So this is going to be video 1 of 3. So in few days, I will do video number 2 and post it. And then when it's ready, I'll do the last one. So look for this in a series. So in the meantime, have a wonderful day, everyone. Stop back again soon, and I will see you in the next video.